Who's loving her ugly big brother extra much right now? I am. Great gift. Boiling hot water for my tea so I can go to sleep. Win! Windows covered. Got my rain guards on, of course, so the windows are cracked a little bit with ventilation. These office paper clips are awesome. Back window. And yeah, half of this stuff I won't even be bringing next time. I don't need that cooler. All this is going to be moved to the back seat when I reorganize. And this portable shower slash bike cleaner, it's like 8 liters, 2 something gallons. It's got like 20 settings on it. Shower, mist, jet spray, yada yada. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Gonna go ride the trail now. Let's go Super Jet.